Hello everyone, I am Abhishek Ray. By education, I am an electrical engineer along with business administration degree in finance and international marketing. I always have been inspired by the power of learning and transformation. The way education, when made practical, can completely reshape lives and industries. That's why I'm proud to be associated with Rabindranath Tagore University as a visiting faculty and to work alongside GROZINIAA in delivering this exciting initiative, the 6 months online certification course in supply chain management designed especially for the talented and ambitious students and professionals across Africa. India has always been known as the land of wisdom, a nation where the pursuit of knowledge is not just an academic journey, but a lifelong commitment to growth and enlightenment. Rabindranath Tagore University proudly carries this legacy forward, resonating with the same spirit of global learning and universal brotherhood by sharing knowledge across continents. The university is living the timeless Indian philosophy of the world is one family. Let's start with a simple truth. Think about this. Every single product or service that we use exists because of supply chain. From the food we eat, the clothes we wear, to the cars we drive, and of course, the smartphones we hold, behind every product is a carefully orchestrated process of sourcing, production, transportation, and delivery. Supply chain management is not just logistics, it's strategy, collaboration, it's innovation. It's about understanding how to make things flow efficiently, ethically, and of course, intelligently. And in today's world of global competition, digital disruption, and ever-changing customer expectation, professionals who can design and manage smart, resilient supply chains are the true game changers. This course will give you that edge, the knowledge, tools, and mindset to lead the future of business operations. The 6-month online certification course in supply chain management by Rabindranath Tagore University in collaboration with GROZINIAA has been thoughtfully designed to bridge the gap between theory and real-world business practices. As someone who has spent nearly 2 decades managing large-scale operations, I have seen firsthand how practical applied learning can change careers. So this program is not about memorizing. Remember that. This program is not about memorizing concepts. It's about mastering the skills and make professionals stand out in the real world. Here's the course structure you'll be diving into. So there are total 7 modules. The first one is Fundamentals of Supply Chain Management. The second module is about procurement and vendor management. Module 3 is about inventory and warehouse management. Module 4, we will be deep diving into transportation and logistics coordination. In Module 5, we are going to look into technology in supply chain management. Module 6, finally, the very important part, risk management and compliance. Module 7, you will end with a capstone project and of course with a final evaluation. Each module is designed to deliver conceptual clarity, hands-on learning and global perspective, ensuring that you walk away with the knowledge that's practical, powerful and applicable from day one. So, why should you take this course? Because this is more than a certification. I want you to consider it as a career accelerator. By the end of the 6 months, you will, and I'm sure you will, understand how supply chain drives organizational success. You will be able to learn to identify the inefficiencies and design smarter systems, gain confidence in decision making, and you will have analytical thinking. Build expertise in logistics, procurement and digital transformation. Whether you are a working professional looking to upgrade your skill set or a student aspiring to build a career in operations or management, this course will give you the foundation and edge to thrive. This course has been designed to be interactive, engaging and deeply practical. You won't just listen, you'll think analyze, and then apply. Each module has been designed, of course, it will have a live and recorded interactive sessions, but they are designed to include weekly quizzes, case studies from both global and African perspectives, homeworks, and reflective assignments. And as I said earlier, in the end, you are going to design a capstone project where you will present a complete supply chain solution. By the end of the program, you won't just know about supply chain management, you'll be ready to lead it. I often say that I am a worshipper of time and a believer in people. Technology, systems, and process are essential, but it's people who truly drive the change. My goal through this course is not just to teach, but to mentor, to help you think critically, question deeply, and build your own leadership identity. As we begin this exciting journey together, remember, education is not about memorizing facts, it's about transforming perspectives. This 6-month certification with Rabindranath Tagore University and GROZINIAA is your opportunity to develop the skills that make businesses move and leaders thrive. Africa today stands at the frontier of global opportunity, and I truly believe you are the next generation of change makers who will redefine how the world thinks about efficiency, innovation, and growth. So let's learn, collaborate, and grow together. Let's build supply chains that are smart, resilient, robust, and future ready. Let's create value not just for our businesses, but for our communities and our world. On behalf of Rabindranath Tagore University and GROZINIAA, I welcome you once again to the online certification course in supply chain management. Thank you so much.